Hey there, Jessica Garthy here, an essential oil educator and simple solutions enthusiast. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified each time I add a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a essential oil roller bottle blend. So I'm going to teach you how to blend the essential oils into a roller bottle to make it easier to use. So there are two reasons why we like to put essential oils in roller bottles. The first reason is because it's going to make it so much easier to use the essential oils. Oftentimes, we don't use things if it's not convenient, if it's not easy. We want things fast, we want things easy. So being able to blend the essential oils together in a roller bottle is going to make it more convenient, and you will more likely use the blend. The second reason that we like to blend essential oils, especially in roller bottles, is because we love to mix them together. So we know how powerful essential oils are and the amazing things that they can do to support our body, and they work great independently. However, when we combine them together, it gives them more power. It's going to support our body systems in another way. And then when we combine it with the carrier oil, it's going to help avoid any sensitivity. The carrier oil is also going to help the essential oil drive into the skin and penetrate more deeply, because these essential oils are very volatile, meaning that they can evaporate very easily. However, when we combine them with that carrier oil, it's going to help them to stay on the skin and drive down deep into the cells. So we want to make essential oil roller bottles because of their convenience and their simplicity. So be sure to stick around to the end of this video, and I will give you my free download for my favorite essential oil recipe blends that you can start creating for yourself to help support your body in a natural way. Okay, let's get started and make our roller bottle blend for today. So this blend that we're going to be making is actually, well, I like to call it the Balm Roller Bottle. This is a powerhouse blend of essential oils that we are going to use to support our immune system. So for today, all you're going to need is a roller bottle. So I like to use the 10 milliliter roller bottle. It comes with these awesome little stainless steel tops and a lid, so they all just go together perfectly. So once you're done, you're just going to push it all together. Okay, so that's what you need to get started. You also need a carrier oil. I'm going to use fractionated coconut oil today. I use fractionated coconut oil simply because it stays in liquid form, it's unscented, and doTERRA creates it, which means that I trust their purity. So this is the fractionated coconut oil that I am using today. And then we need, of course, our essential oils. So for this particular recipe, we're going to be using On Guard. We're going to use frankincense. We're going to use oregano. We're going to use lemon and tea tree oil. They're also known as melaleuca. Sometimes you may hear tea tree referred to as melaleuca. So for this recipe, we are going to be making the balm. So 10 drops On Guard, 10 drops tea tree, 10 drops of lemon, 5 drops of oregano, and 5 drops of frankincense. Okay, so it's very simple to create blends in roller bottles. So what you're just going to do, you're going to grab your 10 milliliter roller bottle, and then you're just going to start grabbing your essential oils and dropping them right into the bottle. It really is that simple. So we're going to start with On Guard, and we're going to do 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. Perfect. Okay. Our next one, we're going to go to, not oregano. We're going to do tea tree oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And then we're going to do 10 drops of lemon. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 5 drops of oregano and 5 drops of frankincense. So like I said, these particular essential oils naturally have naturally have components that are antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, lots of great things that are going to support the immune system. And they work even better when they are all together. So now that you have your essential oils in there, you're just going to top it off with your coconut oil. So now you're just going to add the coconut oil. Whoops, making a mess here. Now you're just going to add the coconut oil. So some of these coconut oils actually come with a pump top. I don't know why I didn't switch to a pump top. I just opened a new bottle So you can see here why you would want to have a pump top. So I'm actually not even going to fill it up because I'm just making a mess here. I'll fill it up once I'm done. And then you can just pop the top on. It'll snap right in. Or if it doesn't snap in really easily, you can just screw the lid on and it will fully push into it. Okay. Okay, so now that my roller bottle is full, we're gonna pretend that it's full because I'm gonna add the rest of the carrier oil later. You always wanna make sure that you're labeling your essential oil roller bottle blends, just so that way you know what's in it. So doTERRA actually has these amazing labels that are oil proof that you can use to put on your bottle. So I will just take the labels off and stick them right onto the bottle. I like to be able to know what essential oils I used before. And then I always will usually take a picture or a screenshot of what I'm using. You can also use a label maker. So this is a label maker that I have. It actually comes, you can buy plastic label stickers to make the labels for these. And so sometimes I will actually make a label to put on here. Like, let's see, we'll call it the bomb. So I will make a label. I think you can get these from Amazon. Maybe they're like $20. I don't know, maybe 30 now with inflation. But it just makes a small little label that you can put on your roller bottle so you know what it is. That way, next time you go to use it or you need to fill it up, you know what it is that you're using. So I always like to label my roller bottles with what it is and then what essential oils are in it using the stickers. So that's it. You put the lid on, you shake it up, and then you just apply it wherever is your favorite place to apply your essential oils. That's it. So easy to make the roller bottle. So like I promised, I'm going to show you how to download my free favorite essential oil recipe guide. There is a link right below in the description box below this video. Click on that link and it will take you to my website where you can download my free favorite essential oil recipe guide, which it includes 8 other essential oil blend or recipes that you can use to support your body in a natural way. Thanks for watching.